Hi everyone, this afternoon I will teach you on how to change the administrator password of your router, specifically Huawei HG8245H model. So let's get started. Basically, we'll click here and then you have to type the command cmd, and then type in the command ipconfig/all. This is the basic procedure on how to change the administrator password of your router or your Wi-Fi. We need this because, like, if you don't know the IP address of your router, so this ipconfig command will give you the IP address of your router, like here on the screen, default gateway, so with the corresponding IP address. So this is the IP address of the router, so it will display here. The default gateway is the IP address of the router. Okay, so let's go to let's open a browser. So here I am using a Google Chrome. So the IP address that we get from the MS-DOS screen is 192.168.100.1, and then hit enter. Okay, so on this screen, this is your administrator username and administrator password. So to change this, you need to use the default username and password that is written at the back of the router, or it is written on the manual provided by the manufacturer. So in my case, my username is root and then my password, so I have to type in my administrator password, then click login. Okay, so in this screen you see this is the username, or this is the administrator username of the router. So to change the administrator password, you just have to here just type the old password and then you have to type the new password. So and then you confirm the new password, and after that you click apply. So after clicking the apply button, it will activate the new administrator password. So that's how it is done. It's very simple. So I hope you learned something today, and if you like this video, hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss another video related to these videos I uploaded, or any other technical video. Okay, so thanks for watching, everyone. God bless and have a good day. Bye bye.